Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is the final step in the process of getting this boat out of the barn and give me some room. So I got to paint the bottom of the boat. Now we've got that coated material on there in the last video where we stopped some leaks in the boat. So now it's time to paint it. I have this Alumahawk paint right here. So this is Alumahawk. This is their black paint. I'm hoping this is enough for just the bottom. The plan is to do just one coat, but we'll see. I have some rollers and paintbrushes to do that. It's kind of chilly today. I got it up to about 55 degrees, and then I have some heaters in here trying to get this up to 60 so I can paint it and not have any issues. All right, so that's going to be it for this short video. I was able to get the bottom of the boat painted. It's just one coat is all it needed. And I used about 60% of this Alumahawk black 1-quart container here. So this is a 14-foot V-hull that I've got, and I was able to coat the bottom that you saw there with it pretty easily. So I could probably do a second coat with it if I tried. I don't think I need to though. It covers it pretty thick. If I had to do the sides as well, instead of polishing it like I did, it would probably be the full can. And then, so if you have a boat that's bigger than a 14-foot and you want to paint your whole boat, you're going to need more than a quart, most likely. So anyway, it went pretty good. I'm going to let this kind of cure up overnight, and then tomorrow I'm going to be flipping it back over, start working on the next thing. So future videos to come on this. We got to buy a motor, put it on there. I also got to work on the trailer and get it done, and then we'll go test it in the water. So appreciate you sticking around for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.